Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's concentrate on the micros now. Dr. Reddy's is one of the top losers on the Nifty. It's recovered from the day's low, but still down around 7.5 to 8%. It is reacting to the fact that it will not be allowed to sell Suboxone, which is the generic version of that drug, in the US markets anymore, because a US court has basically converted a temporary injunction to a preliminary injunction. To talk more about this, we have Deepak Malik of Edelweiss Securities joining in on the phone line. Deepak, hi, thanks very much for joining in. Do you think that this reaction is a bit too much for the news on Dr. Reddy's?
Yeah, hi Ekta. Yes, I agree with you. It's an overdone kind of thing. So if you see this product, NPV is around 150 rupees, and it's only get delayed. And second thing, what court has also said along with the preliminary injunction is that in case if Indivior lose the case, then he has to compensate Dr. Reddy for the losses, and for that he has to submit a bond today. So it's not something which is very, very negative. Yes, things have got delayed, but then in case if DRL wins the case in appeals court, and he'll get compensated for all the delays which will happen.
Okay, but obviously, Deepak, the market is reacting to an opportunity loss in terms of sales as well as EPS addition. So in your sense, how much do you think that they were probably going to make in the next 1 year from this particular drug?
So we were not building in this product for this year because we knew that this is an uncertain product. So though Dr. Reddy has got the approval, but and the court outcome, the case outcome was uncertain, so we were not building in. And in fact, consensus also, if I say 110 rupees of EPS has been built for FY19. If this product would have come, so it would have added around 50 to 60 rupees of EPS. So I don't think even consensus was building in the launch of this product for this year. So I don't think.
Okay. So there's a possibility that best case scenario could have been up to around 50 to 60 rupees in terms of an EPS addition.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But obviously there is uncertainty which the market is factoring in. So is that the reason why the stock is down 8 to 9%? The fact that we don't know the outcome of what an appeals court ruling would be, plus there is that final patent litigation which is currently ongoing with the innovator.
Yes, so if you see, all the pharmaceutical stocks have run up by almost 15 to 20% in the last 1.5 months, partly due to the reason that INR has been depreciating and people were underweight in the pharmaceuticals. So now with this negative news again, there's a reality check and people have, I think, taken up the profits.
Okay. In your sense, what might the future triggers for Dr. Reddy's be beyond Suboxone?
So the first and very important thing is the innovating approval, which we are expecting in the next 3 to 4 months. So Dr. Reddy has a TAD in the month of July, and let's see how things pan out there, because that is a very important product. So patent has already expired, and Dr. Reddy has already replied to the CRL. So now there is a target action date, and we are waiting for the outcome. So this product is a $550 million product, and DRL is expected to make around $80 to $100 million in this product. So if he gets the approval, that is number one. And second thing, in Srikakulam also, we are expecting the positive outcome for Dr. Reddy very soon, because already whatever was supposed to be done in this has been done by DRL. And things now should resolve for Dr. Reddy in Srikakulam. Then third is that he is going to invite the US FDA for the Voda plant. That also will happen in the next 1 quarter. And by the time we'll reach to Q3, so there are 2 more things which are lined up. One is the approval for sumatriptan nasal spray, so where there is a TAD in the month of January 2019, sorry. And Copaxone also is lined up for approval by the 4th quarter. So I think this year is going to be a very eventful year for Dr. Reddy. There are 6-7 triggers which are lined up. So I'm not saying that all the triggers will come, but yes, some will come definitely.
Okay, just a quick word, Deepak, on Aurobindo and the acquisition that they've made in Europe.
So I think it's a good acquisition because US is now getting very competitive, and Arvindo is now diversifying itself into Europe. Last year also they acquired a business in Europe, and now they are further expanding into OTC and all. So it's a good move.
And what if they acquire bigger companies such as Malik?
So there,
bigger companies such as Malik?
So there, I think there the sale is largely from the U.S. market, and it's in controlled substance. So in controlled substance, there is a hue and cry in U.S. and government is after all these companies as well as the doctors not to prescribe these controlled substances, because that is leading to a lot of deaths in the U.S. market, U.S. As a country. So that business is a declining business. If I say in the last 2 years, revenue has declined by almost 25% for Malik in this business, and the margins also used to be like 35-40%, has now come down to 20%. So it's a declining business, one. And second thing, there are a lot of cases also in the court which are there against the company.
Sure.
So it's not that great a business.
Okay.